everyone, I'm Rhino Clavin with your Diz Daily Fix for Tuesday, October 23rd, 2018, and here's what's happening today. So first up, November 8th kicks off the first Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party, and Disney Parks blog revealed that during the event, guests can pick up a special Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room inspired Sorcerers of the Magic Kingdom card. This limited edition complimentary card will be available at the Firehouse on Main Street, USA during the length of the party or while supplies last. Disney Imagineer Jonathan Ackley shared the special card's backstory, saying these charismatic avian performers inspired Merlin to create a new charm to give his acolytes for this year's holiday celebration. The Disney villains will need to watch out or they'll end up with egg on their face. I don't know. There's that. So if you're going to the party, grab the card. Next up, Tables in Wonderland has added a new interactive cooking experience event for 2019. Culinary Adventures with the Chefs of Disney, an interactive cooking experience for Tables in Wonderland members only. In a professional working kitchen, students will spend 60 minutes at select stations preparing different dishes under the direction of Disney chefs. After this interactive session, guests will dine on a delicious 5-course gourmet meal at the chef's table, each dish perfectly paired with prestigious wines selected by the chefs themselves. From aprons to appetizers and beyond, this mouth-watering crash course is a 3-hour Epicurean experience not to be missed. The price is $259 per guest, plus tax, gratuity included, and the event will be held on Saturday, January 19th at 6 p.m., Saturday, March 2nd, 2019 at 6 p.m., and Saturday, March 30th at 6 p.m. So if you're interested in booking that, you can call 407-WW7762 to book a seat at Contemporary Resorts Chef's Table Experience. The space is limited for the special event, so... yes. Now, over on the Diz board today, our featured article comes from Zoe Wood titled The Top 5 People That You Don't Want to Be in Disney Parks. You can check out that article, many other great ones, at www.info.com. Trending on the boards today is a thread titled What is the Appeal of the Dessert Parties? That was started by Mickey0624. In the thread, the poster is asking for others to share the reasons that they love the many dessert parties that are available throughout the Walt Disney World Resort. Folks are stopping by to share their experience with these parties and to explain what they think, why they think they're worth the price or not. So you can stop by the Theme Parks Attractions and Strategies forum on disboards.com to join in on that discussion. So it's Tuesday, and that means a new episode of the Diz Unplugged Disney World Edition. You can join in with that live at 1 p.m. today on DizUnplugged.com or YouTube.com/DizUnplugged, of course, where Pete and the gang are going to talk about all the current Disney news and whatnot, as we do every week. Finally, I have your weather. Out in Anaheim today and tomorrow, it's going to be partly cloudy with highs right around 80 and lows just around 60. Here in Orlando today and tomorrow, highs in the mid-80s and lows just around 70, but tomorrow does have some rain in the forecast, so remember that. Now, for links to everything that was discussed in today's Diz Daily Fix, you can visit the Daily Fix main page at www.info.com/dailyfix. That is going to do it for me today. I hope you all have a great day, everyone.